Hello and welcome. For this practice, we are going to be focusing on self-compassion. So the concept of self-compassion can encompass all kinds of different things. A lot of times what we commonly think of is having acceptance for yourself. Maybe there's something about your external, your body, that you don't fully accept, that you don't fully love. Maybe there's something internally that you feel like you're not accepting yourself for. Maybe there's a part of you that feels a little bit lost, a little bit forgotten, maybe even a little bit hurt. There are so many things that this meditation can be helpful for. So I just invite you to start to kind of find what your purpose and what your intention is here and what you would like to give yourself more of as we move through this practice. So wherever you're at, go ahead and find a comfy, cozy seat. I'm just seated, propped up on a blanket here. Just kind of find what works for you in a chair, on the floor, whatever works. And then as you start to get situated, go ahead and start to either close your eyes down or just gaze softly down in front of you. For this practice, I'm going to close my eyes. And as you start to settle in and find some stillness here, maybe you start to notice right away what it feels like just to be with yourself here. And maybe you can start to notice any judgments that you may have for yourself. So they may be judgments that are sitting really heavy with you right now. They may be common judgments that you have for yourself day to day. And just kind of notice, what are some things that you are critical about towards yourself? And maybe your mind doesn't even go there. Maybe as you're finding this silence and this stillness, your mind goes to something else that you need to focus on, something else that maybe you need more of or that you need less of. So I invite you to just kind of notice what comes up here when it comes to having compassion for yourself. And maybe there's a part of you that feels a little forgotten or lost or lonely. Can you notice that part of you that comes up here, whatever it may be, whoever it may be? And maybe you notice this part of you in a particular part of your body. You may feel some activation, maybe in your belly, your sternum, maybe your chest, maybe even your heart space. Just kind of start to notice where you find this part of yourself that may feel a little lost, forgotten, lonely. And can you imagine yourself wrapping your arms around this part of yourself? Maybe you even physically touch that part of your body. Maybe you physically wrap your arms around yourself. Maybe you find that it feels natural for you to kind of just curl into a ball here. Maybe you want to rock side to side. Just notice what you need here, what that part of you really needs here. And maybe you notice emotion that comes with that. Maybe it doesn't. But I invite you to just really sit with yourself and whatever parts of you need. Some extra love, compassion, acceptance. Maybe even forgiveness. And if it feels like it resonates with you, can you tell yourself that you are enough, that you matter, that you're worthy, that you are valued, no matter what? You don't have to do anything extra, be anything extra. You don't have to look a certain way. Who you are is unique, with unique experiences and hardships. And you have something to bring to the table. You have something to offer, even if it's just to yourself. And that's enough. I invite you to stay with whatever you're noticing here, whatever you're giving yourself, for just a few more rounds of breath. And if you need or can or want to stay here for longer, please do. Please notice whatever else you need here in this moment for yourself. And I am going to wrap up my portion of this practice with you. Again, please know that you are enough, you are valued, you are worthy, no matter what. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I'll see you next time.